Delight not in sensuality or heedfulness. Diligently contemplative, one wins immense bliss. Dhammapad 27. Do not indulge in heedlessness. Avoid craving for sensual pleasure. Whatever their nature, the mindful person is tranquil in mind. He will attain the great bliss. Don't indulge in heedlessness. Don't come near to sensual joys. The heedful and contemplative attained abundant bliss. Dhammapad 27. Ma pamado monu juyo jetho ma kamoroti santhabang appamatta hi chayanto pappati vipulong sukhang. Dhammapad 27.